Is your streaming stick taking forever to load every time you turn on your television? Don't worry, because we are going to fix that sluggish boot time and get you to your favorite apps instantly. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are stripping away the bloat to make your Fire TV start up faster than the day you unboxed it. The main reason your device feels slow is that it is trying to load dozens of background processes and video previews the moment it gets power. This puts a massive strain on the processor and slows down your entire experience before you even click a button. Let's jump straight into the 10 steps to optimize your boot speed right now. Step 1. Navigate to your applications menu and uninstall every single app that you have not used in the last month to free up system resources. Step 2. Go into your preferences and disable the video and audio autoplay features so the home screen does not lag while loading previews. Step 3. Open your notification settings and turn off all app notifications to prevent background syncing during the startup phase. Step 4. Head to the privacy settings and turn off device usage data and app usage data collection to stop the system from reporting back to servers. Step 5. Disable the data monitoring feature in your network settings to prevent the device from constantly calculating your bandwidth usage. Step 6. Use a high-quality power adapter plugged directly into a wall outlet rather than using the USB port on the back of your television. Step 7. Open your installed applications list and clear the cache for heavy apps like Netflix and YouTube to remove temporary junk files. Step 8. Switch your network connection to the 5 GHz band to ensure your home screen assets load over a much faster lane. Step 9. Change your network DNS settings to DNS 8.8.8.8 to speed up the initial handshake with streaming servers. Step 10. Restart your device using the remote shortcut by holding the select and play buttons together for 5 seconds to perform a fresh system reboot. Here is a pro tip for you. If you are using a custom launcher, it can actually help you bypass the heavy Amazon home screen entirely. This reduces the number of ads the device has to load at startup, which makes the interface feel much more responsive and lightweight. If you face any difficulty with these settings or your device is still acting up, just leave a comment below. I will be monitoring the comments and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this guide helped you speed up your streaming today, please like this video and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to the channel TechVibes for more quick tech fixes. You are all set to enjoy a lightning-fast streaming experience without the long wait.